Welcome back to GearUpWindows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to add or pin Google Calendar to Windows 11 taskbar using Microsoft Edge browser. In case you prefer to use Edge browser to open Google Calendar on your Windows 11 PC, you can pin a Google Calendar button to the Windows 11 taskbar that will always open with Edge browser. For this, first open Edge browser on your Windows PC and then visit this one Google Calendar website and sign into your Google Calendar for quick access. Then click on this one triple dots menu. In the drop down menu, select this one more tools option and then you will find this one pin to taskbar option. Click on this one. It will pin a Google Calendar to the Windows 11 taskbar. In case it does not work for you, minimize this one Edge browser and then click on this one start button. Search for Edge. Then right click on this one Microsoft Edge entry. Select open file location. Again right click on this one Microsoft Edge shortcut. Select open file location. Then right click on this one MS Edge application. Select copy as path. Now close this one window. Now right click on the free space on the desktop. Select here new and then shortcut option. Paste this one copied path. Then put one space and then hyphen. Then type URL. Then put one space. Now open Edge browser again and copy this one Google Calendar URL and paste in this one location box at the end. Then click on this one next button. Name it Google Calendar. Then click on this one finish button. Now a desktop shortcut for Google Calendar will be created on your Windows 11 PC. Select this one desktop shortcut and right click on it. Then select this one show more options. Now click this one pin to taskbar option. This will pin a Google Calendar button to the Windows 11 taskbar. When you need to open Google Calendar using this one Edge browser, just click on this one button and it will load Google Calendar on your Edge browser on your Windows 11 PC.